Good morning mga Ride Out. One of the most important thing a cycling should take is the food. Because as cyclists, food is our source of energy in order for us to climb those elevations. That's why McDonald's Philippines provide their food to every cyclist that will visit their store. I'm with Ma'am
Leanne.
and
Doors.
ayun, so tatanungin po natin sila kung ano yung favorite Mac food po nila.
Ang favorite food, sausage, McMuffin at saka Sunday caramel. Burger at saka chicken, syempre. Yun ang masarap.
Source of energy natin before the ride. I'm with
Rhyme.
Yan.
Talbog Seri.
Talbog Cereal. Sir Rhyme, ano po yung favorite Mac food niyo?
Sausage McMuffin with egg.
Nakaka-good.